So one more thing you can do with this, and I will just suggest this because this is a whole huge area that you can play with, and it can have some really amazing effects. If you enjoy altered states of consciousness, then it can have some really interesting results, is to play with those representations as if you would play with a timeline. Now, with a timeline, you can do some stuff that's not usually thought about well. So you can be associated with a timeline, so have it go through you, and you will experience time differently when you are dissociated from it, and when it's outside of you. So the through time and the in time attitude. With Mindlines, it's the same. So you can imagine the line of your money and just associate with yourself with it. Enter the line, have it go to you, and see how you experience it. Or dissociate with it and see how you look at it from the outside. You can make it larger or smaller and see how it influences how you experience it. You can make it longer or thinner. You can, and some of these are really weird, so take some care when doing this to have someone support you and help you get back if you need to. You can change the line literally into a tunnel and stand in your wealth line or your money line or your weight line and see how you experience that and experience those feelings as something that's quite unusual, because we tend not to represent them in that way. So this is another way to approach this, another way to touch this method, and can really give some interesting results and interesting feedback on how you are doing this. So this is the basic introduction to Mindlines. The main thing I want to convey here is this. You have countless such lines in your head, countless such abstract representations in your mind, and they are influencing your life to a level that you really aren't aware of until you start paying attention to them. When you do, you might find that it's extremely easy to change a lot of behaviors that have been troubling for you before, because now you have the limits, you have the edges that you can move and change and make use of. So, a useful method to learn to know yourself and to change how you are and change how you interact with the world. Best of luck using it.